Hey guys, so typically I try to use a lot of Google Forms in class, and you guys know that because it's kind of handy for when we're doing classwork because all you have to do is click on the link. And so there's nothing that you have to like attach to Google Classroom or anything like that because I automatically get it. Sometimes though, for NTI, we're going to be using stuff that is in Google Slides, and the assignment right here in the classwork, right here in the classwork that I'm getting ready to click on is an example of that. And normally, what I would do if we were in class is I would just upload each of you guys a copy to Google Classroom. But I'm trying to keep it really consistent for you guys that you only have to go to one place to get all of your work, and I don't want you to be confused. So that's why we're going to do it a little bit differently. So you're still going to click the link to get to your work. When it opens up, and again, you guys are kind of used to being able to just get in here, like right away, you can start doing the assignment because I usually just give each of you guys your own copy. But for NTI, we're not going to be able to do that. So notice right here where it says view only, that's saying that yes, you can see it, but you can't actually move stuff around. So please don't email me and say, wait, I'm trying to click on stuff and nothing's dragging. It won't go anywhere. Instead, the first thing you need to do is go here to File, and go to make a copy. And it's going to give you an option entire presentation, but it's only one. And then just make sure that you put your name on it. PB, GCF, drag and drop. So then it'll make you a copy that you're going to be able to edit and move things around, just like we have a tendency to do in class, the rest of the time. But of course, typically, again, in class, I normally just give you your own copy, so you don't have to do anything to turn it in, but this is going to be a little bit different. So instead, what you'll need to do is you're going to have to go back to your weekly assignment here in Google Classroom, so that you'll have to go to, so right now we're going to be starting the week of April the 7th, so you know that, so that's where you'll go. You're going to click on View Assignment, and where it says Your Work, over here in the top right corner, you're going to click Add or Create. And then you're going to select from your Google Drive, and you're going to actually attach the copy of that Google slide. So again, see how I have two, and I know this is kind of obnoxious. So here's the original, but you don't want to upload that one. That's the one that doesn't have any work on it. The one you're going to have actually done the work on is the one that has your last name there in the title. And then you'll just click on that, click Add, and voila, it'll upload a copy for me as soon as my internet quits being slow. I know that's kind of obnoxious, that this is an extra step. I haven't found out a better way to do it yet, but I really just wanted to make sure that I kept everything, all in one place for you, so that all you have to do are hit the links. If you guys think of a better way to do it, I'd love to hear any suggestions. But for now, anytime you need to submit a Google slide to me, that's how you need to do it.